In this video, I'm drawing a one-point perspective hand sketch of a master bedroom design. This is something I designed last year in my studies, and it's probably my favorite design that I've done. It's a master suite with a walk-in wardrobe, a study, a bedroom, and a bathroom. I'm preparing a frame here because this is one of 3 hand sketches that I'm framing for a friend of mine. She's my best friend. She asked me for Christmas for a set of hand drawings from one of my favorite designs framed, which I thought was really cute. You can see the floor plan on the top right there. That is the first of the 3 frames. This is going to be the second one, and I'll have the third one up soon as well. If you already follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I actually prefer to not use pencil, but because this is going in a frame and it's a perspective drawing and I need to kind of create some guidelines for what I'm going to do, I'm doing it in pencil. So sometimes I do create guidelines in pencil. Like you can see here, I'm creating cubes because everything starts out as a cube when you're doing a perspective drawing. Sometimes I like to do them just in pen and show the guideline. It just depends on what the drawing is for. Because this one's being framed, I didn't want it to be too messy. I do want it to look hand done, but I didn't want to have too many unnecessary lines in there. But if it's just a concept sketch for an idea for a design, I'll usually just do it straight in pen because I like seeing the working out. Showing your working out makes it a lot more interesting to look at. So this video I sped up just a little bit, 2.5 times, so that you can still see and understand what I'm doing without it being too slow and boring and without it being way too fast like a normal time lapse. I found that when I was learning how to do perspective drawing, the best way for me to learn was to watch other people do it a lot of times. So I watched a lot of people on YouTube and on Instagram and just watched where their lines were coming from. There's all these things like the vanishing point and the horizon line and this and that I couldn't quite grasp until I just kept watching, and then it all clicked in my head. So I'm hoping that that helps other people as well. If you just want to watch me draw in this pace, hopefully that helps you understand perspective drawing better. I am planning on creating some tutorials on how to do this as well, but again, everybody learns differently. I found that the tutorials, they helped in a sense, but I really needed to watch other people to do it in order for me to understand. And if you're not interested in drawing like this, then I hope you enjoy watching me do these drawings. And I'd love to hear some feedback on whether you like hearing my voiceovers or if you'd rather it just be ASMR, the sound of the pen on the paper, or some lo-fi music or something. I'll just experiment and try and create a whole bunch and see what hits.